Hi friends, it's Mrs. Uvick, and this week in your Google Math assignments, I want to show you how to tackle a few things. The last few weeks you've been putting numbers in or typing in an answer. This time you're going to have to do some circling or some drawing lines. So I want to remind you how to do that in Google Slides. These are the assignments for day 2. These are your day 2 math. First one says circle shapes that show 2 equal parts. So you're going to look at the shape. Let's look at this one. This one has 2 parts, but are they equal? Nope. This one has this diagonal line. This one doesn't. So we're not going to circle that one. This one, circle the shapes that show 2 equal parts. Well, those are 2 equal parts. So how do I circle it? If you come up to this toolbar and you click Select Line, we're going to use something called a scribble. And a scribble is going to turn your cursor into a pen. So I'm going to just draw a very sloppy circle around that. Then I will go back and I'll put it back online. Actually, I'll go back and click it and I'll be ready to go. All right. Now let's look at the second page. The second page says circle half of each group. Note, one of them does not split in half. Do you know which one? So let's look at the first one. There are 4 objects, 4 sunglasses here. If I was going to split that into 2 groups, how many would I put in each group? I'd put 2. I'm going to go back up to the top line. I'm going to click Scribble, and I'm going to circle 2. My circle's not perfect, but that's okay. All right. Those of you who have touchscreen devices, it'll be easier to do that. Those of you who use your mouse, just click the mouse, the left mouse button, hold it down, and you'll circle. Then you'll go back and you'll click on the arrow, and that'll turn off your scribble. That is how to circle on Google Sheets. Let's look at day 3. Day 3 has another one where we're circle. So we'll remember that we'll go to the toolbar, we'll click the line, and then scribble. And the scribble will let us circle in the correct answer. I'm going to show you the second part here. This one says match the fractions to their word forms. So on the left-hand side, we have the word forms of the fractions. On the right-hand side, we have the number forms with a numerator and a denominator. They want me to match, draw a line between the word and the fraction. So if I'm looking here at this first one, it says 1/2. What does 1/2 look like? Well, it has 1 in the numerator. Okay. Half. How many parts does something have if we've broken it in half? It has 2 parts. So we're looking for a fraction with 1 as the numerator and 2 as the denominator. I see a fraction that looks like that. This time we're going to click on the select line. This time we're going to draw a line. We're going to draw a line from the words to the correct answer. Okay, it'll put it in a box. You can click the select, that little arrow again, and we have a line drawn there. Okay. All right, that is how to use the line tool and scribble tool for this week's Google Math Sheets. Have fun, keep thinking, stay busy.